In this video, I will show you how to type vertical pipe in Microsoft Word document. So first method, shift and pipe on your keyboard. It will appear on before enter key on your keyboard. So this is the first method, shift and shift plus pipe icon. It will appear before square bracket. Second method, if you have the number pad on your keyboard, separate portion. So press and hold Alt and 0124. Alt plus 0124. If you have the number pad separate portion on your keyboard. So this is the method 2. And also there is a third method you can try. So in the third method, type 007C and press Alt X like this. Type 007C, then select, press Alt X. So these are three methods you can try. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.